In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Google Analytics Property ID. If you're managing a website or simply trying to harness the power of data to optimize your online presence, knowing your property ID is crucial. This unique numeric identifier plays an essential role in linking your website's data with the Google Analytics platform, ensuring that you can efficiently track and analyze your site's performance. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, to make sure you can access your property ID without a hitch. First things first, we'll begin by navigating to the Google Analytics homepage. You'll want to enter analyticsgoogle.com into your browser's address bar. Upon reaching the site, enter your login credentials to sign in. Make sure you're using the account associated with the website you're working on. If you're managing multiple accounts or websites through Google Analytics, it's important to double-check that you've selected the correct one. Once you're signed in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the interface. Here, you'll find the admin icon, symbolized by a small gear. This is your gateway to a range of administrative settings that will allow you to tweak and configure various aspects of your analytics accounts. Go ahead and click that little gear icon to proceed to the admin section. Now that you're in the admin area, you will see there are three columns: Account, Property, and View. Focus on the center column labeled Property. This section is key to accessing specific settings related to the property in question, which in this context is the website you are analyzing. You'll notice a list of options related to your property's configuration. Look for and select the option labeled Property Details in this column. This is where the information tied to your specific property is displayed. Once you select Property Details, you'll be able to see an array of crucial data points associated with your analytics property. Among these data points is your Property ID, an all-important numerical code that identifies your site within the Google Analytics framework. Keep this ID handy, as it's often needed for various tasks, such as setting up new features or integrating third-party services. And there you have it, a straightforward, easy path to finding your Google Analytics Property ID. By following this simple sequence of actions, you'll be better equipped to manage your website's analytics data efficiently. Remember, understanding how to navigate through Google Analytics not only helps in extracting valuable insights, but also enables effective decision-making for optimizing website performance. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to check out my other tutorials for more tips on harnessing the full potential of your analytics data. Happy analyzing!